In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to install and provision your MHub. Let's get started. Simply plug the cable into the slot labeled Power at the back of the MHub. That's it, your MHub is now installed and ready to go. Now for provisioning, open your MTronic app and sign in. Tap the plus icon at the top, then select Add and then Pair. After a few moments, the pairing process will be complete. Tap Next and give your MHub a name. Select Next again and choose your Wi-Fi network for the MHub to connect to. Hit Save and wait a few seconds. And there you have it! Your MHub is now seamlessly connected to your app, ready to start your smart home experience. Enjoy your MTronic Hub and feel free to reach out if you need any further assistance.